This is Carl Richardson reporting live on the events unfolding in Colima, Mexico. The mountain complex here has been the site of a massive stratovolcano for years, and finally, the massive lava caldera has erupted, causing massive destruction in the surrounding area. In the immediate vicinity of the eruption, molten lava flows run down the edge of the crater, setting fire to any nearby vegetation or buildings that they cross. These flows, however, are the least of people's worries, as they move so slowly that they can be easily avoided. Not so easy to avoid, though, are pyroclastic flows, the most deadly type of volcanic hazard. These hot clouds of ash are composed of pyroclasts, pieces of fiery hot rock fragments. Once this rock mixes with other debris and ash, it builds up, at which point it rushes down the side of the mountain, picking up great speeds and incredibly hot temperatures. Pyroclastic flows can travel up to 700 kilometers per hour, making them near impossible to outrun and certainly fatal to anyone caught in one. Here's John Fink reporting live from Mexico.
Thanks, Carl. As of now, the mountain is relatively stable, but it's hard to say how long that will last. Due to the massive amounts of loose debris and ash, as well as instability on the mountain caused by an eruption, a lahar may form in the near future. Lahars are huge mudslides that are formed from loose dirt and debris on the side of a mountain mixing with water, combining into fast-moving slides that can even rival the ferocity of a pyroclastic flow. Since they do not directly rely on the force of an initial eruption, there are long lag periods between a lahar and the initial eruption, making lahars extremely unpredictable. The other dangers mentioned: the pressure on the magma chamber underneath the volcano with the leftover magma. The pressure on it will decrease, and the possibility of large eruptions increases, depending on how much magma is left. The clouds of ash and steam constantly being emitted are slowly cooling the earth down, due to the ash blocking sunlight from reaching the ground, where it is re-emitted as heat energy. If such an eruption occurred and was large enough, it could create yet another year without summer, where temperatures come nowhere near to what they normally are in the summer months, due to the sun blocked by giant clouds of ash roaming the globe. Crops fail from the lack of sunlight, and major economic damage is done. Such an eruption could start from an earthquake in the area, forcing a landslide on the side of the mountain, and lessening the pressure on the magma chamber currently residing underneath the mountain, such as seen in the catastrophic 1980 Mount St. Helens eruption. The magma chamber is already spitting out clouds of ash with the occasional lava flow, so who's to say it won't erupt even larger?
The Colima volcano is located within the Ring of Fire, a subduction zone surrounding the entire Pacific Plate. This subduction zone is one of the world's most active, as one of the most deadly subduction zones in the entire world. Here, the Pacific Plate is forced underneath the surrounding plates, carrying with it water from the Pacific Ocean. This water lowers the melting point of the magma, as well as adds more gas to the magma, which increases the pressure on the underside of the volcano. Enough pressure forces the volcano to erupt.